Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical tent stove, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from tent stove, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tent stoves from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WillowyBe Outdoor Sauna Hot Tent Stove Rocket Stove Heater Camping Wood Stove. The WillowyBe Outdoor Sauna Hot Tent Stove is the ultimate solution for outdoor sauna enthusiasts, providing a perfect blend of functionality and durability. Designed specifically for outdoor sauna use, this rocket stove heater is equipped with a sauna stone support frame and pairs perfectly with an outdoor sauna tent for an authentic sauna experience. Made from high-temperature-resistant, rust-free material, it features a front door with German high-temperature explosion-proof glass for safety. The adjustable air intake valve allows you to control the flame and heat precisely, while the top chimney design prevents sparks from escaping. This stove is not only ideal for sauna heating, but also versatile enough for cooking, drying, and other outdoor activities like camping, hunting, and ice fishing. Easy to assemble and portable, it folds down to a compact size for effortless transportation. With a convenient storage basket for sauna stones and a clear, heat-resistant glass window, it's designed for maximum comfort and convenience. Number 2. Camp Journey Wood Stove. Wood-burning stove, hot tent, stainless steel camping stove. The Camp Journey Wood Stove is the ultimate solution for outdoor adventurers looking for a reliable and multifunctional heating option. This wood-burning stove features an integrated oven and extendable camping table, allowing you to cook, boil water, and fry meals while preparing your campsite. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, this stove is designed for durability and stability in extreme conditions, with a three-sided quartz glass construction that can withstand temperatures up to 1200 degrees centigrade. The adjustable air vents and top air intake holes ensure efficient heating and flame control, while the spark arrestor minimizes fire risks. Perfect for winter camping, this stove's semi-folding design makes it easy to transport and store, with all accessories fitting neatly inside the unit. The adjustable chimney and air vents offer optimal heating performance, while the included ash rake and collector make cleaning a breeze. With full after-sales service support, Camp Journey Wood Stove is perfect for hot tent setups and outdoor cooking. Number 3. Camp Chef Alpine Heavy-Duty Cylinder System Wood-Burning Stove System for Camping. The Camp Chef Alpine Heavy-Duty Cylinder System is the ultimate wood-burning stove for camping, designed to provide reliable heat and cooking capability in the great outdoors. This versatile stove system features a roomy cooktop, door damper for precise heat control, and a fire grate to prevent overheating at the base. It includes essential accessories such as a damper, internal log grate, spark arrestor, accessory shelves, and a 5-piece nesting pipe, making it a complete package for any camping trip. The stove's components are designed for easy storage and transport, with removable legs and compact design for convenience. Perfect for wall tent camping, this stove accommodates a standard wood system water heater and makes cooking in the wild effortless. Whether you're cooking or heating up your tent, the Camp Chef Alpine Cylinder Stove is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts who demand reliable performance and easy portability. Number 4. Guide Gear Outdoor Wood-Burning Stove Portable with Chimney Pipe for Cooking Camping. The Guide Gear Outdoor Wood-Burning Stove is the perfect companion for cooking and staying warm during your outdoor adventures. With its portable design, this stove features a chimney pipe for efficient ventilation, making it ideal for camping, backpacking, or living off the grid. Constructed from durable metal and weighing just 42.2 pounds, it's easy to transport and set up in minutes. Despite a few minor cons, such as difficulty latching the door tightly when fully packed with wood and the absence of a rack inside, the stove offers excellent performance. It heats up quickly and provides adjustable heat for cooking meals over an open flame. The stove is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it'll last for many trips. Whether you're in the mountains or by the lake, the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood-Burning Stove is a reliable, affordable, and efficient choice for any outdoor enthusiast looking for a portable heating and cooking solution. Number 5. KUNGKA Black Wood-Burning Tent Stove 7-section stainless steel chimney hot tent for camping. The KUNGKA Black Wood-Burning Tent Stove is a compact and portable heating solution designed for outdoor adventures in cold conditions. Featuring a unique 7-section stainless steel chimney system that reaches 6 feet, it is adjustable to fit your tent's height. The stove includes wind ropes and nails for extra stability. Its heat-resistant glass door allows you to observe the flames, while the adjustable air vent gives you control over the burning process. The ashtray is easy to remove for cleaning, ensuring optimal burning performance. With its foldable legs and storage rack that doubles as a handle, this stove is perfect for camping, ice fishing, and hunting trips. Weighing just 24 pounds, it's easy to transport and set up wherever you need warmth and hot food. Keep your tent cozy and your meals hot with the KUNGKA Black Wood-Burning Tent Stove, a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.